Guys, so here is the latest DoctorX update. In case you saw my previous video where I said they've not started connecting wallets because it was suspended. But waking up this morning, guys, I found out that they brought it back. Like, you have to link your MultiversX and complete all of these tasks. This is like the second verification, and you only have 3 attempts. You can see DoctorX TG update. Update your DoctorX app and submit your MultiversX receive address from Xportal. What you need to do: Sunwaves account, Confluent account, Seal Send account, then Crypto Mayor account, Twitter, Coinmarketcap account, and Xportal wallets. Then you can try 3 times for wallet verification, CGE December 4th. 3 attempts. So where the verification people are saying this is the verification now, like they've confirmed that you have to complete all of this, and you only have 3 attempts to complete it. As I said earlier, guys, in case you saw my previous video, then this is the updated one. Or maybe you watch this and still maybe it's after you watch this and you went to go and watch that. Make sure that this is the updated what's it called, DoctorX update. This is the updated DoctorX TG update. So don't fade. 3 attempts. If you miss 3 attempts, maybe you know miss your airdrop withdrawal. So that's it. Now let's go right into it on how to complete all of this. So firstly, you update your X account, then we go to the MultiversX and complete the task. So this is the X account. The DoctorX account. I think my app is up to date already. Let me just check if there's an extra update. So I don't want to take chances. Okay, so my app is up to date. Then we are good to go. Please confirm. Don't take chances. Then I'm seeing our MultiversX address. I will just click on it. So verification flow at DoctorX: maintaining integrity, our community, and ensuring that rewards are fairly distributed is a top priority. To uphold this, we have introduced a new verification system that ensures that those who genuinely complete the tasks receive distribution access. To access authenticity and fairness, you must verify that you have genuinely completed the task for which you receive coin. Wow. The process includes adding your address for token distribution, which only be approved once the system confirms your task completion. You have 3 attempts per day. Okay, you have 3 attempts per day to complete this verification. If you fail to prove your authenticity and attempt to cheat, you will not be eligible for token distribution. Cheating or manipulating task completion will lead to verification failure. You won't receive your hey God, I beg you. Community commitment: stay engaged with tasks and ensure all are completed authentically. Regularly check the verification system and validate your contributions. Keep an active presence and contribute honestly to maintain your integrity for distribution. The more authentic and engaged you are, the smoother your verification will go. Oh my God, I understand. Yeah, let's start. Okay. 1 of 4. Okay, tap to end. Complete the step to get verified. The tap to end. Sign up on Sunwaves. Get Sunwaves app from this page. Go to profile settings and copy the verification code as below. I saw this verification code on DoctorX too. Sign up on Sunwaves. Get Sunwaves app from this page. So on Sunwaves, come to your settings and click on verification code. This verification code is what they ask you to copy, and I'll copy it and submit. That's the first task. Then mark as complete. Okay, for Confluent too, I'll go to Confluent page and do the same thing, then submit. Same thing with Sealand and same thing with Crypto Mayors. That means you must have an account on all of these 5 or 6 ICE network projects. They didn't add for sources there. Okay, that means you must have an account on all of these five ICE network projects. So I'll go to my Confluent and get the verification code from the settings option. Then go to my Sealand to get the verification. The same way I did for Sunwave is what I'm gonna do here. So let me proceed to do all of that. So now I've submitted the verification code for all of these four projects: Sunwaves, Confluent, and Sealand, and CryptoMeos. Then I'll click on verify. They said the data above must be real to ensure authenticity. Anyone attempting to cheat will be excluded from distribution. Tap to earn verification passed. You have successfully passed your tap to earn verification and you can move to the next. Hey, X verification. I have successfully completed KYC on DoctorX DoctorX MetaVax. Okay. Copy your profile, verify your profile, copy the exact text below and paste it on your X profile. Wow. So this is it. Then I'll go to my Twitter and paste the tweet, then copy the link here to this post URL. Then follow on Hex, follow Azon, follow Metaverse, follow Xportal, follow Zion. Okay. So on Hex, I've just pasted the tweets here, then post, and I'll copy the link. There's a view post. I'll click on this share icon here, then copy link. And paste the link here and mark as complete. So follow us on X. I'm already following them. Open your X account. Okay. So I'm following. I go back. Make sure you are following. That's what they are verifying. So follow. I'm following ICE. This is ICE. Let me just double check. I don't want any problem. Okay, following. Mark as complete. Okay, follow MultiversX on Hex. I have to follow this. Ensure you do the tax, so you can't bypass this. Follow Xportal. So I've completed all of this X verification. Then the next is to verify. Okay, so now the X verification has been passed. So I'll just click on continue. So the next thing is to is the Telegram verification. Verify your user. Please write your Telegram username. Then join Telegram, join Aeon Telegram, and join Metaverse Telegram. So your Telegram username, I'm gonna write and follow their Telegram what's it called? Their Telegram accounts. So I've just joined their Telegram for each of these. Then I'll click on verified. So Telegram verification passed. Then I'll click on continue. This one is Coinmarketcap verification. So add ICE to your watch list. Open Coinmarket from here and tap the star icon to add ICE to your watch list, meaning that you must have a Coinmarket account. If you've not created an account on Coinmarket, then sign up on coinmarket.com or check the registration link in the description box of this video. The registration link to sign up on Coinmarket, check it in the description box of this video. Because I've signed up on Coinmarket already, I'll just click on add ICE to watch list. I think I've done that before. I'll click here. The moment you click on that link and it directs you here, this is the watch list. This is the star icon. You see, if I do that, I've unstarred it. If I click on it, I've starred it. So that is how to add it to watch list. So this is it. So now let me go to the DoctorX and see. You see what they wrote? And tap the star icon to add to watch to your watch list. Then mark as complete. It's still the same thing. Okay. I don't think we are submitting any link here. Follow eyes on Coinmarket. I'll click on follow. Okay, so the next thing here to do is to comment on Coinmarketcap. Open Coinmarketcap from here. Then add a positive comment which contains eyes and H bar. You see what they said I should add. In your account, you might be seeing eyes and something like eyes and other coins. So take note of what you are seeing. Does not necessarily mean is what I'm saying that you'll be seeing like the other two other coin. So if I click here, so what I would do is to make use of the search button on this Coinmarketcap page. Let me put this is in normal mode. So what I will do here is to make use of this search button on the Coinmarketcap page. Then I will search eyes. And I will choose eyes network, eyes open network. So I'll just scroll down to the comment. It's still loading. So now we are seeing post comments. This that you are seeing. Post comments. I'll click on that. Please enter a message. Okay. You click on this space. You see. So I'll just like we have. So I've just written the comments. Then I'll click on post comments. Then I can click on view comments. So this is the comments. And I can click on this. So to copy the link of this comments post, the moment you see your comment, click on these three dots and click on copy link. You see link copy. So now I'll go back to my eyes DoctorX and paste. The mark as complete. Then I'll click on verify. So guys, this is the notification that I saw. I guess the system is here to verify my post on. Maybe this is absolutely a system error. So I'll just check back tomorrow. Now this is the second to the last step. After this page is verified, the next step is to submit your multiverse address. So now to do that, you have to come to this Xportal. You must have registered on Xportal, then complete your FISK backup. It's very important. That's the only way you'll be able to copy your receive address. You have to complete your seed phase backup. So after you must have completed your seed phase backup, come to this receive. For anyone that have passed the CMC verification, the next thing is to come here. To come to this receive button here. Then you are saying I will just click on all network. I will change it to MultiversX. Then all these token addresses that you are saying, they are EVM compatible. So and they are under MultiversX. So you can copy the address from any of these token and paste it on your address submission. After that CMC page completion, the verification, the next thing is to copy your address and submit. So that's it. So once you are in this page, you can copy any of this address, either eGold or MEX or UTK or RIDE, whichever. So if I'm to copy the MEX, I'll just copy this, then go back to the DoctorX page, that verification page, and submit. And that's all the last process. So I'm going to complete mine tomorrow when hopefully by God's grace it will be completed. So that's how to complete this DoctorX verification. You might first of all need to watch this video and see how to do this so that you don't make a mistake. And for the Twitter verification, it might take a while for them to verify your Twitter, especially if the Twitter API is having downtime. I think that's one of the reasons why my CMC verification failed, because during my Twitter verification, the downtime of the Twitter API, I had to submit the link 3 times before they verified my Twitter post. So since I submitted the link 3 times, that was why I was unable to have attempts for the CMC verification. So I'll just give my CMC verification another shot tomorrow and it will be concluded. So this is the last part of it. Complete your CMC verification with the process. That's the exact thing you have to do. What I did is the exact thing you have to do. You might give it some time, like a couple of minutes before submitting that link. Then the last part is to copy any of these addresses under the multiverse section and submit, and that's all. So this is the update on the DoctorX multiverse linking. Stay tuned for subsequent updates. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to my YouTube channel. Also turn on your notification bell and you'll be notified of my back-to-back updates. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.